Sat Keval Sahib. Welcome to our e-class. My name is Rathod Khushbu from Param Guru Pathshala Sankul, Sarsa. Dear children, in this session of our new class, I am going to discuss a new topic of class 7 in English subject. Student, this is unit 2, second part of Honeycomb book, and the topic is The Rebel. It is a poem, and I will explain the poem in this video. So dear children, The Rebel. This is the class 7 and this poem that is taken from Honeycomb book, and the poet of this poem is D.J. Enright. So he is the poet D.J. Enright. So The Rebel from Honeycomb book by D.J. Enright. So dear children, let's move further to our explanation. The first that we get confused in the title, The Rebel. First of all, every children and everyone, they have a question in their mind that what is the meaning of rebel. Understood? So the word rebel means a person who always do something opposite. Understood? Who always opposed to the person. If you like to play cricket, the rebel will like to play football, and if you like to play football, the rebel ready to play cricket. So that is called a contraction, opposition. So the person who always opposed to other things, who always opposed to the person, that is called rebel. So here it is said that, do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. So what it called? The person is called as a rebel. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Now read the poem. So dear children, in our day-to-day life, in our home, and mostly in our school, you children, mostly you get the person like this. Okay, when you like to play in the recess, so the person who wants to oppose, he will say or she will say, no, I don't want to play with you. So this is called the rebel. Oppose. They oppose every time, they oppose. If you say today is a Monday, so maybe rebel will say no, today is a Tuesday. And if you say today is a Tuesday, rebel will say no, today is a Monday. That means every time he opposed to do the things, that is called rebel. So that's the thing the poet described in this poem, and he said that sometime is it good for us to have a rebels? That at the end we have to see. So watch this video till the end. Let's move further to our explanation. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So what the poet said, when everybody they has a long hair, when everybody they prefer to has a long hair, the rebel lets his hair grow. When everybody they wants their hair short, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So everybody if prefer to short hair, at that time rebel will prefer to have a long hair. That's why he has grow his hair long. So that's the thing. When everybody they prefer the thing, rebel will oppose. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. See, in the second line, second stanza, what's it? That when everybody they prefer to be have a long hair, so the rebel, what he will do? He cut his hair. Understand? So in the first stanza, the poet said that when everybody they prefer to have a short hair, rebel will grow his hair. And in the second stanza, the poet said that when everybody they prefer to a long hair, rebel will cut his hair. Means rebel, he prefer to be have a short hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. See, when you are in the class and your teacher is teaching you, so at that time some student, okay, everybody they talks during the lesson. They are talking during the lesson. But the rebel doesn't say a word. But at that time, what will do the rebel? Rebel, he will not speak a word. He will not speak a single word during the lesson. He just pay attention what the teacher is teaching. So when everybody they talks during the lesson, rebel will don't speak anything. And when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel create a disturbances. See here, okay, opposite. So when nobody talks during the lesson, जब कोई बात नहीं करता लेसन के टाइम पे, तब rebel he creates some disturbances. That means in between the class he will ask some question to the teacher, maybe he talks to other. So that's the thing. When everybody the things they do, rebel will not do. So when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When all the children, all the students, they wear a uniform, they come in a uniform, the rebel, he will dresses in a fantastic clothes. Means, like a hero type. So fantastic clothes he will wear. When everybody wears a fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. See, in our school, sometime it happens that when we give permission to wear free dress, so at that time many children they wear free dress. They come in a fantastic dresses. But some student they still wear uniform. Understand? So it is not called like that they are rebels, but yeah, they in one time they do opposite thing. So that's why it is called that they are called as a rebel. जब सब जो यूनिटी में करते हैं तो वो ही ऐसा अपार्ट फ्रॉम हो जाता है. सो द सेम थिंग हियर इट सेड दैट व्हेन एवरीबडी कम्स इन यूनिफॉर्म, रेबल विल कम इन अ फैंटास्टिक क्लोथ. व्हेन एवरीबडी वियर्स फैंटास्टिक क्लोथ, द रेबल ड्रेसेस soberly. So at that time what rebel will do? Rebel will wear soberly. That means he will dress up in a simple dress, formal dress. He will come in a formal. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. See here, it says that when all are ready to when all they show their love to dog, here rebel expresses the love for the cats. Means everybody like to have a dog, then rebel he will not like to have dog, but he will prefer to cats. And in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good words for dogs. When all are praising cat, at that time rebel will what do? He will praise for dogs. Means जब वो dogs की company, that means the people of the group that who love to dog. So in that group, if he will come, he will not like dog. And if he will be in the company of cat lovers, then at that time he will praises the dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. So what the poet said that when everybody they praises the sun, जब सब sun की praise कर रहे हैं, when they need sun, then the rebel remarks on the need for rain. So at that time what rebel will do, he will prefer to have a rain. वो rain he wanted, ही नीड फॉर द रेन. सो वो सन को नहीं चाहता, बट उस टाइम उसको क्या चाहिए, रेन चाहिए. दैट मीन्स व्हेन एवरीबडी दे प्रेजेस दैट ओके टुडे वी गेट अ ब्राइटनेस, टुडे वी हैव अ वंडरफुल सनी डे, बट एट दैट टाइम रेबल सेड नो, ही वांट्स रेन. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Now when rain come, and when everybody they like the rain, when everybody they welcome the rain, they like the rain, the rebel regret of the absence of sun. उस टाइम पे रेबल है वो ऐसे पछताता है कि सन क्यों नहीं है. he doesn't like rain. When everybody like sun, he does not like sun. When everybody like rain, he does not like rain. So that is the thing that rebel do the thing opposite. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So what the poet said that when everybody they stay at home, they go for the meeting, then rebel he would not like to go for the meeting, but he would prefer to stay at home and read books. And when everybody they stay at home and read the books, at that time rebel will not ready to stay at home, but he would like to prefer to go for the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. So the poet said that when someone when someone offer us something, sometime when we visit someone place, when sometime people wanted to help us, so at that time we say yes please. If we need a help of someone and they offered us, at that time we say yes please. But here what the thing is that the rebel will say no thank you. And when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Okay, अगर कोई ऐसा है कि ऑल मेजोरिटी है वो आंसर चाहिए होता है, तो everybody they agree to do that thing in the school. Okay, but rebel will say no, and when everybody said no, then rebel will say yes. So that's the thing that rebel always do the things in the opposition of the people, in the opposite thing. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it is very good to be done. So here the poet D.J. Enright, he said that it is sometime, not all the time, but he said that sometime we should have rebel. Rebel होना अच्छा है, ताकि sometime we can get some ideas, new ideas from the rebel. हम कभी कभी rebels के होने से when someone opposed to us, तो we get the success in our work. अगर हम कुछ ऐसा करने जा रहे हैं जिससे हमें कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, and at that time if rebel opposed to us और वो हम नहीं करते, तो शायद हम बच जाते हैं. So the poet wanted to tell us that we should have a rebels. Sometime in our life it is necessary that we have a rebels. Rebels होना भी अच्छा है. Due to them maybe we will get success. So that's the thing. In this poem the poet expresses about rebels. Rebels means a person who always do or do the things in the opposite. जो group होता है, जो group always they are ready to do the things, but rebel will not ready to do. So that's the thing here the poet wanted to say. Let's move further to our exercise. Answer the following questions. First one is, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? So here the question is, if someone not wear uniform, then what will the teacher take the action? Answer, the teacher will ask the reason for not being in uniform and then take action according to the reply. Means first the teacher will ask the reason why he is not come in uniform, and he will take action according whatever the student will reply. Second one is, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? So as we have seen in our poem, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain in the most. Means when everyone preferred the sun, rebel will prefer rain. The third one, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, what everyone else likely to have? So the answer is, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, then everyone else is likely to have a cat. Number 4, why is it good to have rebels? So the poet expressed that it is good to have rebels because many few people have power to oppose the decision of the majority. They think differently and fearlessly stand with their choices, which can be beneficial. Means a rebel, he should have a power to oppose the decision of the majority. He will oppose everyone. So sometimes it is good to have rebels. Number 5, why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Answer, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because no one will like you. It keeps you apart from the people and they will be like an enemy. Means yeah, definitely. If every time if you oppose someone, and every time if you are not ready to do the things which everyone like to do, so everybody they do not like us and they keeps us apart from the group of people. So that's the thing, that rebel, sometimes it is not good to be rebel. Our next exercise is, find in the poem an antonym for each of the following words. First one is long. So dear children, what you have to do is that in the poem, antonyms of these words are already given. So you have to find out and write it yourself. I am going to give it here. You have to write it yourself. First one is long. Second one is grow. Third one is quietness. Fourth one is sober. And the last one is lost. So you have to write down antonyms of each word. Long, grow, quietness, sober and lost. This activity you have to do it yourself. So dear children, thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand our poem well. Do this exercise, prepare the question answer. Thank you.